How to build a financial-grade app with excellent performance to provide a great user experience and get rid of crashes and lags. How to build a super app so that business modules can be quickly iterated and upgraded in a pluggable way. How to satisfy the diverse needs of various users, know more about users, and meet their needs. mPaaS, a mobile development platform derived from Alipay, with 10 years of technical architecture development and evolution, can help enterprises quickly transform and upgrade their mobile products. mPaaS has 3 main capabilities. First of all, powerful client framework improves development efficiency. Multi-terminal collaborative development of Android, iOS, H5, and Mini Program become a reality. Powerful development framework helps improve app stability. Unified UI library and client components make app development as simple as building blocks. User experience is also optimized. With the help of Mini Program Open API, it becomes easier to build your own ecosystem of apps. Secondly, Mobile Middle Platform supports rapid change and innovation of end-to-end services. This platform manages the full lifecycle of apps, integrating R&D, testing, release, analysis, and operations. Even if requirements change rapidly, the business upgrades and iterations can still be completed dynamically and flexibly on the platform. Now, with the mobile digital transformation, mPaaS is fully and intelligently upgraded. Targeted promotion of user activity, retention rate, and conversion rate can be achieved based on user behavior data, helps customers to take result-oriented actions to enhance business value. Finally, background connection services ensure the stability and reliability of apps. Gateway, data synchronization, and multimedia, 3 main components build a smooth and stable data transmission channel that can easily deal with high concurrency situations in various business scenarios, making business efficient, stable, safe, and controllable. Currently, the R&D capabilities of mPaaS are truly universal. It has been deeply applied in many fields, such as finance, government affairs, and travel, supporting many enterprises, including China Railway, Shanghai Metro, China Guangfa Bank, to build stable, safe, and reliable apps, and win in the fierce competition in the mobile market. mPaaS builds an efficient, flexible, and stable mobile research, development, and management platform, and makes the super apps just at your fingertips.